Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever set up a passkey for your Google account but now want to remove it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full 2025 guide to securely remove a passkey from your Google account, step by step. By the end, you'll have complete control over your account security. Let's dive in. First, we need to access your Google account settings. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or any other, and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Next, navigate to the Security tab. You'll find it on the left-hand panel of your account homepage. This is where all your account protection settings live, including passwords, two-step verification, and passkeys. Now, scroll down until you see the section called How You Sign into Google. Here, click on the link for passkeys and security keys. This is where all the passkeys connected to your account are listed. Before you can make any changes, Google will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your password to confirm it's really you. Once verified, you'll see a list of all your associated passkeys. To remove a passkey, simply click on the specific one you want to delete. You'll notice an X icon next to it. Click that and then confirm the removal by selecting Remove. And that's it. Your passkey has been successfully deleted. Removing a passkey is quick, easy, and ensures that your account stays exactly how you want it, secure and under your control. And there you have it. That's the complete process to remove a passkey from your Google account in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.